the biggest thing it did is it taught me to think. It's very difficult to prepare yourself exactly for every job that you're ever going to do. You may have pieces of that knowledge from your education, but critical thinking, methodology, how to present things, how to prepare for things was a huge part of the what my degree prepared me for, because everything we did in engineering was about how to prepare it, how to get it ready, how to think about it. And so I felt like that made a huge difference in my ability to be productive when I first started, even though starting in an industry that I knew nothing about. I think the biggest thing is understand that this is just the start of your career, and that when you go to school, you're just starting. You will never stop learning. You will never stop trying new things. And so take the time to really look around. And one of the things is there are so many opportunities for engineers. It's very hard to tell when you first walk in, what might you do later. This is your career. And so to take the chance to look around, see what kind of things engineers do. Today, biomedical is huge, and yet when I started school, there was no thought of biomedical, but it's a huge discipline. And there's engineers in every field. Engineers need to take the time to find what's important to them and understand that. And because you are starting a career, you're not just getting a job. You're starting a career on the things you want to do in life, and the things you want to accomplish. So make sure you've thought about that, and then enjoy it. You can run through it and get a lot of knowledge and miss the learning, the camaraderie, the teamwork, the friendships. And so I would say be involved. The education is two-way.
Okay.
You've got to give back a little to get some more. I think the special stories for me are mostly, as it relates to engineering, is really the times with that mini Baja and trying to, how I still remember the meeting where we, 2 weeks before we were supposed to go to competition, all of us sitting around trying to decide whether we would give up or go forward.
Oh, wow.
And so it was a very defining moment for me that we decided to go forward, and then actually almost won it. We were in first place up until the last 2 hours of the race, but during that race, what lost it for us was not having a pin through one nut on the wheel. We lost the wheel, and the wheel actually passed the cars.